Hello llamas, and welcome to my room, my zen, my place of rest and joy. I've always been an avid cleaner, but got more inspired to improve my tidying skills after watching the Marie Kondo special on Netflix to create a living space that is peaceful to the utmost. My room has gone through some transformations over the years. Before this, it was a pretty coral shade. But after a while, I wasn't inspired by my space anymore and decided to paint it a nice bright white last summer. Because to me, the color represents cleanliness, open spaces, and freedom. In addition to this change, I realized that I wanted to add some decorative pieces to make my room more magical and maybe give you guys some ideas for your own spaces. I wanted to keep it simple yet magical. Some decorative pieces I have brought to match my theme and are my favorites are my moon lamp. I got this wonderful 3D moon or Luna lamp on Amazon for the affordable price of $12.99, and it fit my magic galaxy theme I was going for. It looks so real, and also it brings me back to the days I used to tell my parents I would live in the moon kingdom, like Sailor Moon. It also changes into 3 colors, a cheese moon, white and pink moon. It's also rechargeable, so makes it easy to bring back to life. I'll admit I don't turn it on all the time, but at night it looks so nice for sleep as well as night meditations. My fairy lights, I have been wanting to get these. I went a little overboard putting them in most of my furniture, but I wanted my room to feel like magic. And these fairy lights look like little stars twinkling in the galaxy. Crystals. If you watch my crystal haul video, it's no secret that I have crystals in my space. Not only are they gorgeous pieces of Mother Nature, but they are added positive energies to the home. Each crystal has a different intention for my journey and therefore add nice vibes to my room. This Eiffel Tower is so special to me because it brings me back to the beautiful memory of my first trip to Paris last summer with my family. When my dad told me we were stopping in Paris as part of our road trip, I knew I had to bring this tower back. But never did I imagine that they would sell ones that sparkled like the real one in Paris. In addition, I got a gold one because I loved the tower at night when it lit up the city of Paris. My salon chair, as my boyfriend calls it. This was actually a Christmas gift from my parents, and I really love it to work in my desk, and it puts a fun twist to the room space. This cubicle shelf. This piece may not be as exciting or too normal, but I love it because I used to have a tiny brown shelf space that all my books, skincare products, etc. were everywhere, and I got annoyed, and this white cubicle was brought by my boyfriend to make more home for my items and keep the room more organized. Plus, it was a practical gift. I hope you llamas enjoyed this mini favorites video and hopefully got inspired to add some new flavors to your home or space. See you next time. Bye.